It always feels good to live in a state which is rich in architecture style, rich in culture and tourism.
Hi everyone, Namaskara Mysuru. I'm Romal and I'm welcoming you to my vlog Rainbow Like Life. अच्छा तो मेरे पीछे का बैकग्राउंड से आपको पता चल ही गया कि where I am today. Yes, I am in City of Palaces, most cleanest city of India, मैसूरू. So आज का मेरा टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है मैसूर पैलेस. मैसूरू पैलेस इज फेसिंग चामुंडी हिल्स एंड यहाँ पे दशहरा का बहुत ही खास इम्पोर्टेंस है क्योंकि दशहरा के दिन यहाँ पे मैसूर में पूरा पैलेस रात को जगमगाया हुआ दिखेगा आपको. फुल लाइट अप किया जाता है दियों से तो उसका नज़ारा ही कुछ और होता है. और लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Old Palace was burnt in 1896, so Maharaja Krishnaraj Wodeyar IV and his mother commissioned the British architect Henry Irving to build a new palace. The construction of this new palace completed in 1912.
एंड हियर इन लोगों ने ये मोटर कार फैसिलिटी भी रखी है बुज़ुर्ग और छोटे बच्चों के लिए आई गेस. अगर आप यहाँ पे जैसे फ़ोटो खिंचवाना चाहते हो तो फोटोग्राफर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. अभी जिस टाइम पे आए हैं उस टाइम पे वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा है.
And here left side they are developing rose garden where we can see all the beautiful different colors of roses are there. संडे को ये पूरा पैलेस लाइटिंग से जगमगाया जाता है और उसका टाइमिंग है 7 PM to 9 PM. And to visit Mysuru Palace, they are charging 70 rupees for adults and for students they are giving special concession. पैलेस में एंटर होते ही वी कैन सी दिस ओल्ड पैलेस मॉडल विच गॉट बर्न्ड इन 1897 and beside that is goddess Chamundeshwari Utsav Murti which is used for the Dasera festival and all other days this murti is kept here. If we want to know in depth about Mysuru Palace then we can take help of certified guide inside the palace. Here they are keeping the idols of God that they have received from other countries like Sri Lanka, Malaysia. The architectural style of domes of palace is Indo-Saracenic with a blend of Hindu, Mughal, Rajput and Gothic style. This is Golden Ambari whose total weight is 750 kg and gold weight is 80 kg. In this, statue of goddess Chamundi is carried during Dasahara procession. And these paintings have special significance. First of all, these are 3D paintings, and when we are moving from one pillar to another, the objects in the paintings will be slightly changing its direction.
This is gun cannons with carriages.
This is octagonal shaped marriage hall which is still in use, like in 2018 royal wedding was conducted here only, and these pillars are made up of cast iron which is imported from Ireland. And this chandelier in marriage hall is from Czechoslovakia. And here paintings of all the family members are kept. This painting is of King's mother. This painting is of 24th King Krishnaraj Vodiyar, one who got this palace built. And this painting is of British King Edward and his wife Alexandra. Frame is made up of POP and gold, and like this is real gold. These all are gifted invitation boxes and not jewelry boxes, made of sandalwood and ivory. And this is dressing room. Here silver chair is for royal family, and in between is Dasara procession painting framed with original elephant tusk. This is King's statue along with bodyguard. And here is main attraction of this palace, that is Darbar Hall. Here total 42 pillars are there. Above we can see balconies with white curtains. And on the left and right hand side of this Darbar Hall is the gallery. And here chandeliers are from Italy. From the Darbar Hall, we can see the gate of this palace also. I am feeling like the more I am seeing this palace, the more I am getting myself lost in this amazing artwork and architectural style of this palace. Above every wooden door, you will find Goddess Lakshmi. White portion on this door is ivory. On every Navratri, puja is done here and king enters this private Darbar hall from the ivory door. Ceiling is also made of teak wood. Seriously, I am completely astonished by this artwork and architectural style of this palace.
And here, this is private Darbar hall of Mysore Palace.
And through this silver door, king used to come here from this Darbar hall.
These elephant ornaments are used for Dasara Jambu Savari of elephants. So with that guys, I am signing off from मैसूरू पैलेस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को, लाइक करिए ये वीडियो को और अपना व्यू कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.
And hey guys, my next video will be on iconic Mysuru food joints. So if you don't want to miss that video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thank you for watching.